Welcome back to everyone. My name is Shivam Agarwal and in this video we are going to see everything about computer vision. So computer vision basically first of all is a branch of AI, artificial intelligence, in which we make a computer system understand images and videos. Okay, what do I mean by this understanding images and videos? So if I supply an image or a video which might be pre-recorded or captured through a virtual digital camera, then if a computer system is able to understand what context it is trying to say to it, for example, if it is trying to say move forward or go backward, or it is trying to recognize some objects, if the computer system is able to understand everything like that, then we say that it is computer vision. Okay, so how will it understand images and videos? Whenever it will see an image or a video, it will try to take a frame out of it. Okay, images are already in frames, but for videos it will try to take a single frame out of it and try to recognize the objects. Okay, by recognizing the objects present inside that frame, it will be able to judge what the object is trying to say to it. Okay, or what does the object mean to it, whether it is just an object placed inside a room, or it is a text that is trying to say to it something like that. Okay, so using computer vision we can make a computer system understand what images and videos are trying to say. Okay, so to understand how it will work, we'll first have to discuss the human perspective. We'll first have to see how a human brain works, so that we understand how we'll make this computer vision functional. Okay, so let us go over here, and if I say that a simple box is present inside a room, how will a human eye see to it? Okay, so this is a particular human eye over here. Make that my drawing is not very good over here because it is auto draw software. I'm just trying to explain to you how the human brain will work, so that you understand how computer vision will work also. Okay, it is quite similar to how our brain works. Okay, so if there is a box present inside the room, okay, then the light from the box will be approaching our eye. Okay, and we'll see the box. Okay, but the function doesn't stop here. Every portion of the box, every portion of light that has reached our eye is sent to our brain. Okay, the brain then processes it, then what kind of thing it is, based on detection of these edges, based on detection of the color of the box and everything like that, and it finally makes a decision that this is a box. Similarly, in computer vision, the eye is replaced by a HD camera. This HD camera can be your mobile camera or your laptop camera or anything like that. So it will capture the images and videos from the surroundings. Okay, then it will take those data and send it to the processor. This can be a microprocessor, or it will be a controller like in embedded programming. Okay, so this will be the main brain of your system, which will process what kind of box this is or what kind of object this is, what it is trying to say and everything like that. Okay, so we'll have to make a use of an HD camera. We'll have to have a microprocessor or controller attached to it, so that decisions are made to what the computer vision is trying to say. Okay, so this is how the computer vision will work to understand images and videos based on recognition of objects, similar to human brain. Okay, let us now see the advantages and uses of this computer vision. If you go on this v7labs.com website, you can see over here that there are major 7 use cases that are described over here. I'm sure that there are many more, but here we have described just 7 out of them. If you see in transportation, self-driving cars are the trend. Okay, so you have seen Tesla and you have seen Volvo that are developing self-driving cars. In this, the major technology used is computer vision. Okay, because in a self-driving car you have to detect the presence of other cars, traffic signals, lanes and everything like that. You have to use computer vision for that. Okay, next if we see pedestrian detection, this is also an application in the self-driving car. It has to detect pedestrians also. It has to detect humans so that it doesn't crash into them. Next is parking occupancy detection. In Japan, this technology is already being used, that on every parking lot there is a camera attached which can identify which slots are free and identify those slots and tell the users that you can park your car over there. Okay, so this is all done by computer vision. You have traffic flow analysis, you have road condition monitoring. This is quite good advantage in India also, because we can monitor the quality of the roads using computer vision, whether there are cracks or not, whether there are potholes or not. So the next one will be healthcare. We have X-ray analysis. It can detect the presence of anomalies in the MRI images. Okay, in CT and MRI also. In cancer detection, it can predict the presence of lumps or anything like that. Then we have pathology, and there are never-ending list of uses that you can find over internet if you want to see. I will show you just one more thing over here, that is construction. Okay, in construction it is relatively new, but it can be really useful. It can detect the PPE. If you don't know what is PPE, you can go over net and search. Okay, in agriculture especially, you can see the degradation of crops or any presence of diseases inside the crops using computer vision. Okay, automated farming, insect detection over the crops is quite useful. So we can develop any kind of this project using computer vision. By the end of the series, you will be able to develop few of them. Okay, if you practice more, you will be able to develop any kind of software for computer vision. Okay, so this is how the computer vision is going to work. Let us also see the job opportunities for computer vision. So I've already told you that Tesla and Volvo are already developing self-driving cars. So they have a lot of job openings for candidates in, especially in the United States and the Europe. But in India, there is another company. You already know that Tech Mahindra is working on computer vision for Mahindra. It's a subsidiary where they utilize the same for ADAS system. What is ADAS? So ADAS is automatic drive assist system. Okay, it is quite similar to self-driving car, but it is not completely compatible without a driver. Okay, it has to have a driver, but you can use this ADAS system to automate the car for some level. Okay, automatic drive assist system is currently being used in Tech Mahindra. So one of the companies will be Tech Mahindra. This is the major company using computer vision today. However, there are many startups that are also using, for example, agro trade. For harvest automation, there's home ground and grade, and there are a lot of companies which are working towards computer vision. Okay, you can go over the internet and search about it, and then we'll start with the series in the next video. Till then, thank you.